Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I am going to show you how we can remove saved playlist from your YouTube. So guys, let's start the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my YouTube, and just open your YouTube like this. Okay, and here we can see that playlist option. Just select, click on it, and here you can see this is your playlist. Okay, and this is your watch later. If I click on this, okay, it will be shipped to the watch later. Okay, so there is a two tab: watch later, playlist, and liked video. Okay, here the video you can see the all you liked, and the watch later means you have saved that video to watch later, and this is actually playlist. Okay, so this is our playlist. Okay, you can see view full playlist means this is our playlist. This is private playlist, but it is like watch later. Okay, if I click to the view playlist, it is, you can see it is open into the watch later only. Okay, so let me go into playlist and just go to the, here the two options you can remove the playlist. Okay, first you can remove all playlist video from here, go to the three dot option, and you can simply delete it, or you can, if you want to delete one by one, or if you want to delete only one or few videos from there, from this playlist, just select that view full playlist. You can see the all playlist here. Okay, now select that video, just click on this three dot option, and you can delete or remove this from playlist like this. Okay, now if you have playlist like in watch later or private playlist, in watch later, like you can select view full playlist in watch later, and from here you can delete, go here, and you can remove watch later videos, all watch later videos from here, or you can delete from one by one from here. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.